Hello and welcome to ODeX. So in this section I am going to tell you how to do a DO request on ODeX. First of all, you have to log into ODeX using your ID and password. Select your company details. Once you are inside, you are greeted with a message. Now to do a DO request, you have to go to this menu which is on the left hand side. Go to delivery order and click BL submit. Once you click, you will see all your pending requests in a single track request. To submit a new BL request, go to new BL submit. Enter your BL number, a Pagloid, and remarks. You enter your importer code. On the attachment section below, you see a CWay BL Authority BL. In CWay BL, attach CWay BL document. Authority BL, you have to attach your LOI. Once you attach all these details, then you click a save button. Documents have been saved successfully. Back to dashboard, and you will see your request standing here as requested. This is how you can do a DO request on ODeX. Once the DO is released by a Pagloid team, it will start reflecting on ODeX. So you have to go again to see the view. You have to again go to the menu, go to delivery order and view DOs. So all the released DOs will appear here and you have to click view, and you can click attachment and download the delivery order. So this is the process. Thank you so much.